Hello everyone. Welcome to this masterclass on Mastering MS Excel. I am Tejas Thakur, Head of Sales Trainings at Kotak Mutual Funds. As you're aware, in this masterclass, we're going to cover 22 different topics on MS Excel. We have covered 9 different topics till now. And today, what we're going to discuss is the 10th video of this 22 video series. And it is going to be on embedded pivot charts. So in the last video, what we have seen was from a master sheet, how do you create pivots? So let us go to the pivots which we created in the last video. These were the different pivots which are there. Now let's say on this pivot, if you're trying to create a chart, it will not look good. Why? Let me show you that. So in the chart, you don't have to take totals. Once you've selected the pivot table without the total, what you need to do is go to Insert tab. In the insert, you see different charts here. You can select a chart of your choice. Let's say I'm selecting this, getting into 3-dimensional chart. This is something which is available to me. So let me just expand it and show it to you. I'm just increasing the size. And increasing it from here as well. Now the point is, because so much data is there in this, the chart is not at all clear. So we normally do not do charts for data like this. Where do we do it? Let me show it to you. So let's go here. Let's say this is a data point which is available to you. Now in this, I'm going to create a pivot table. The pivot table is already there, an embedded pivot chart. As we said initially, we're not going to look at the grand totals. So I'm going to go to Insert, go to Charts. You can select any of these types as per your requirement. I'm selecting this, going to the 3-dimensional bar, and I'm going to select this. Let me place it here and increase the size of it. Okay. Now, this on this bar here, you are not able to see the number. So what you need to do is just go there, do a right click, go to format, go to add data labels, and you can add the data labels. You'll have to repeat it for each color. So let me do it for here also. And let me change it here as well. Add data labels and add data labels, right? So now it is visible. Now, is this a normal chart? No, this is an embedded chart. Why? I'll show you. Let's go to AMC here. The filter is there in this chart. I just go there and instead of Kotak, I go and change it to Axis. What will happen? Automatically, the pivot gets changed. I go and change it here to Canara Robeco, it will get changed. Right? So what is important is, why is this known as an embedded pivot chart? Because this chart which you see here is linked on the backend to the pivot table. The pivot table is linked on the backend to the master sheet. So if you do any changes in the master sheet, that will change the pivot table, and in turn it will change the graph here. On the other hand, if you change anything here, it will also change your pivot table. So all these are linked together, right? That is the reason why it is known as a embedded pivot chart. You can even pick this chart and place it on a presentation and keep the linkages maintained there. So if you remember in the earlier video, we said use columns if your data is dynamically changing, and you can add fresh data at the bottom of the existing data. You can just go to the refresh page and say refresh. Your pivot table will get refreshed. Now assume that you had a chart like this, which was embedded into the pivot table linked to it. The moment you refresh the pivot table, this chart will also change. Right? That is why it is known as an embedded pivot chart. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much. You can get in touch with us on kmmc.trainingqueries@kotak.com. If you want a copy of this Excel sheet, write a mail to me on tejas.thakur@kotak.com. You can also be a part of our broadcast group by sending a message to 9619510328. and mentioning that you want to be a part of the broadcast group. Also, since you're already there on this channel, if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe to it and click the bell icon notification so that all further updates will be sent forward to you. Every Tuesday, business development videos. Every Friday, MS Excel related videos will be released. So thank you once again for being a part of this video. See you soon in the next video.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.